with you. Christmas is coming. Christmas is coming home. There are lights along the avenue, golden stars above the sea. Everybody's running somewhere, but there's only one place I wanna be. I don't need another present wrapped in silver, tied in blue. Let December bring me one thing, let it bring me home to you. Let the candles burn, let the old year turn. There's only one wish coming true. Christmas with you. There's a table by the window, and the evening's settling in. Someone's laughing in the distance while the Christmas bells begin. We can watch the lights reflected on the water down below. We don't need a winter wonderland, we don't even need the snow. Let the candles burn, let the old year turn. There's only one wish coming true. Christmas with you. We've been running all year long, different roads and different days. Tonight I don't need anywhere, I don't need to get away. Put your hand here in my hand, let tomorrow wait outside. If this is all that Christmas brings me, I've got everything tonight. All I want, all I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. Nothing else could ever do. Let the whole world wait outside. Stay right here with me tonight. All I want is Christmas with you. Every little dream comes true, no matter where December takes us. All I want is Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. Christmas with you. All I want is Christmas with you. Christmas with you. Let the candles burn tonight, let the stars shine over you. There's only one thing on